folks, and welcome to Kimo's Own Organize. Okay, I'm going to do a steak marinade that we're having for our dinner. This is a special occasion dinner. So these are actually New York strip steaks that I've got from my butcher. There's 3 of them because, you know, we all eat plenty of food here. So I just got a regular mixing bowl. You just put them in here. Please wash your hands. So just put them all in there. This will feed a family of 3 actually, but for us, it's called paleo. So you basically just grill them and you cut them up. So and then everybody just helps what they want. So you wash your hands. Now, this is about a 1/4 cup of garlic powder. This is a 1/4 cup of onion powder. Balsamic vinegar, probably a little bit above a 1/4 cup. I don't know what that measurement is. So, but this is a 1/4 cup of that because you got 3 steaks that you're trying to marinate. You want to marinate this, you know, for at least a ½ hour in an ice box. Worcestershire sauce, about a 1/4 cup. Now this is my own interpretation of a marinade. And then soyu, low sodium. I use Aloha soyu, again about a 1/4 cup. Salt and pepper, not too much salt because the soyu, even though it's low sodium, does have salt in it, but you want to just add a little bit more, not too much, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. So, ground pepper, about a 1/4, no, about a tablespoon and a half. Again, I don't measure, so I'm learning how to measure. So, and you know what? Got that. And even add a little bit of Italian seasoning, so it'll look like that. So you just add that on top. Okay. So, and then with your dirty hands, no, I'm just teasing. It's not dirty. You go like this. You want to, like I said, you want to marinate it because I'm gonna use my grill pan. So it looks like this. Try not to make a mess, but you know, there you go. So that's our marinade. Come back and we'll show you some more. Aloha. Okay, folks, I don't have no glasses, but that's okay. We're doing some sauteed onions because my daughter would like some sauteed onions for their steak. And this is our marinade. I have a grill pan. If you notice, it's a little steamy. I have the thing on, whatever that's called. So you just do it like that. I have 2 steaks over here. I'm gonna paleo them and do the onions. So you want to do medium rare. Do the best you can. The grill or the pan is the best.
How long on each side?
About 4 minutes per side. So I got the butter melting and everything, and we'll plate it up. And so this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. And I paleo it, and I cut it, and we're good to go. And there's my onions. So I just did yellow onions. A little bit of olive oil, some butter, salt and pepper, and just grill it up. Aloha, folks. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for notifications. Aloha.